In this tutorial, we're going to look at the Groups feature on MooTube. Go to Groups. We're going to start with groupings, which are collections of groups. You can have multiple groupings in a course. For example, a grouping for Assignment A or a grouping for Assignment B. Let's go ahead and click Add Grouping. There are 4 ways that you can use to create a grouping. We're going to try the first one. This is optional. Save changes. Now we've got Assignment A, which is an empty grouping. Here you can create a grouping and also automatically create groups within that grouping. I'm going to name it Assignment B. I would like to create 4 groups for Assignment B. Group members. If you uncheck this box, we're going to create a grouping and 4 empty groups. If you check this box, we're going to assign members to the groups as well. Here you have an option to select members from a grouping. If you choose all course members, everyone enrolled in this course will be used to assign members to these 4 groups. When you choose a specific grouping, only members within that grouping will be used to assign members to these groups. This is useful for separate group courses. For example, if you have a course for different cohorts, you don't want to add people from different cohorts to the same group. You only want people from the same cohort. So, here, you would select the grouping for a specific cohort. But in this case, I'm going to use all course members because I'm not using any cohorts. Under Select Members with Role, I'm going to assign students only. Then we have Equal Groups and Random. If you use equal groups, the eligible participants will be divided equally among the groups. I'm going to go ahead and click Preview Allocation. Group 1 has 8 members, and here are the members. If you want to make changes, let's say you want to move Ethan Brown to Group 4. Okay, now Ethan Brown is in Group 4. Then we can go ahead and click Save Changes. Now we have Assignment B. Here are the groups in Assignment B, along with their members. When you click on the Members badge, you will see the list of participants for that particular group. Alright, let's go back. Let's see what else you can do. The third option is Import CSV. You can give it a name. Here are the instructions. Okay, I'm going to upload a file here. I have 2 columns, member identity and group name. Click Save Changes. 31 assigned. Now under Assignment C, I have 3 groups. Now let's look at one last option, Import from Course. You can specify the course that you want to copy the grouping from. Let's say this one. I want to import the Assignment D grouping only. The number indicates how many groups are within the grouping. Also keep in mind that we are importing grouping settings, not members, so only the grouping and its groups will be imported without any members. Save changes. There you go. Under Assignment D, we have Group A and Group B without any members. If you want to delete the Assignment D grouping, just click Delete. You also have the option to delete the groups within that grouping. We have 2 groups here, Group A and Group B. Okay, let's talk about groups. If you want to create a group manually, you can use this form. I'm going to create a new group called Assignment B Group 5 since we already have Group 4. No ID number is needed, and it's going to be in the Assignment B grouping. I also have the option to enable group messaging if I want to communicate with the group members, or if I want members to communicate with each other. Let's turn this on. Add group. Okay, so here is the group that I just created. It has no members, and group messaging is enabled. Here I can change the group photo, I can also change the name and then click Save Changes. When I click on Members, it takes me to the participants list, and the members for this group are displayed here. To import members, I can enter their identities here. Save Changes. 5 members assigned. I can disable messaging or enable messaging. I cannot start messaging right now because I'm not a member of this group. So I'm going to add myself to the group. Okay. Now that I'm a member, I can start sending messages. Hi team, for example. Click Send. To open the conversation, I can simply click this button. Now I can see the conversation, type messages here, and view the participants. Lastly, you can also import groups or create groups using a CSV file. Here are the instructions. You can use group name, group ID number, and member identity. Okay, 31 assigned and 3 new groups created. Under Assignment D, we have Group 1 with 11 members, Group 2 with 10 members, and Group 3 with 10 members. So that's it. That's how you use groups and groupings in the MooTube course format.